Hi, this is Henrik D. working with Pentaho, and in the previous videos we saw how we could extract data from a web service using the REST client and the JSON input, and we took the output and put it into a MySQL-database, and you see the information here. And the information is, the ID is a table name, and this is some text describing the table. So if we go to the API, which is here, the thing we did was that we retrieved tables here through this call, and now we have the table names. So the next step is for us to retrieve some metadata for the table. I'll get back to you what I want to use the metadata for, but if we take a look at this, we put in, I know one of the table is called this, and you can see the API call would look like that. So if we execute it, we get some information here regarding the table. And I want to use the parameters for making a URL with the parameters on so that I can extract the data. So if we just make this finish, we still have the JSON format. So this is actually the URL call I'll make for all my tables. So if I copy this and go back to Pentaho, I need a new transformation, and I think I'll use an SQL-script for updating table names with this URL. Okay, that was not so good. Update table names. And I'm going to set the URL for concat, and then this information, and here we need, instead of this, we need the table name from the table, and of course we also need to concat the rest, and the rest must be this. And we haven't set up any connection yet, so we're going to do that also. So we're going to use MySQL again, and hostname localhost and MyDB. And let's call the connection DST and root and some password here. Let's test. Okay. So now this script is okay. We just need in the database. I haven't got any URL on this one, so I need to alter the table and put in the URL, and I think var chart. I think 100 is okay. Let's do this. Okay, and if we go back here and execute the script, we need to, let's call that step 2 in making data warehouse DST, and we have, let's put it in here. Yeah, let's save it. So let's check the log. Okay, everything is okay. Let's see if our table is updated. Yeah, here you go. Now this information should be good for us. If we call this URL, we'll get the metadata for the table. So when I call this URL, I can get the metadata. I'll show you how we can extract the metadata in the